everybody, welcome to the channel. So on this channel, of course, it's going to be farming. So my name's Sean, I'm a contract milker in the South Waikato of New Zealand, and yeah, we'll just take you for a quick run through of current day-to-day jobs today, and then yeah, we'll see where it takes us with the channel. Sort of the plan is I want to start doing this a bit more properly now with the whole YouTube thing and that sort of stuff. But yeah, so basically this morning I milk 270 cows by myself all year round. Well, not all year round, but 10 months of the year. So the last we're into mating now, so I've kind of missed calving to get some videos out there, but I plan to do that next year. We'll get some calving videos and stuff on the channel. But as you can see behind me, so the last couple of days I've been going through, touching up, getting new tail paint on everything. So these blue tails, which she's a little bit rubbed up, she's not on heat yet, but getting close today, are ones that haven't cycled, and everything that's orange has cycled. And then when I've mated them, I've painted them green. And yeah, so I'm running a split herd system. So I've got all my first and second calvers in this herd. I'm right at the end of them now, and then my mixed age cow herd will be on their way in a minute. I have them on a Batlatch timer gate. You can actually see them coming now finally. So yeah, still a little bit dark outside, but it's not too bad. So I started like cups on 5:30 in the morning. What are we now? Yeah, 10 past 6, quarter past 6. Normally this herd's about, I sort of finish them, yeah, around now. It hasn't really slowed me down too much this morning. There's no heats unfortunately in here today. So hopefully that cow mob will have quite a few. I'm just locking my younger mob away. As you can see across the pond there, we've got the mixed age cows walking, head into the shed. But check out the orange. Orange really sticks out in the low light, big time. But I'll show you my main tool I'm using for mating. They're called a flash mate. And as you can see, even from the pit, the way I've got that set up, you can see it flashing, so that tells me she's on heat. So normally they'll just sit there like that, there's no flashing, nothing, and you know that she's not on heat. As soon as they start flashing, it tells me she's on heat. And now there is one cow I noticed out on the yard, even that one there, she's not overly rubbed up. Like if I jumped up there, she's not extremely raw along her pin bones. She's got a little tiny bit of rubbing, but it almost looks like old stuff. But there's one out on the yard, her beacon's flashing, she's actually still got a bit of tail paint on her, and that's what we would call a silent heat. But I've got 3 in this. Row there. This cow here I actually spotted yesterday afternoon, so I rode on her in case the beacon went out, because they flash for 26 hours after they start. Then I've got another one there as well, big Frisian girl. So yeah, they're worth their weight in gold. Time to go feed some calves. Also, just going past the Heifer paddock, or 2 and 3 year old paddock. Seen a little bit of mating activity going on. Seen a couple just starting to do a bit of head resting and whatnot, so we'll see if we can catch it on the drone. Well, afternoon milking time again. I'm nearly at the end of my 2 and 3 year old mob. Now this is the last full row walking out, and I've just got these 3/4 of a row behind me, and yeah, still got a full row on this side cupped up at the moment. Just waiting for them to get out because they're very slow moving today. Full of grass, not really eating too much meal, but yeah, they're leaving a little bit of meal in their bin in front of them. I got in-shed feeding in this shed. So yeah, anyway, we'll get right through this milking. And then I've still got one mob of calves to feed, the older mob. We've been feeding them in the evening. Right folks, we'll leave you there. Yeah, hopefully, well, it's a bit of just a quick look of what's to come. There'll be plenty more being put on this channel, I'll tell you. But yeah, we're just getting started. Just a quick little snippet just to show you around a little bit. And yeah, I'll take you for a look around next week, around the farm a bit better. Show you how steep it is and that sort of thing. But anyway, yeah, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you next week.